We are back. Sailing Merewether has returned with new energy and a new crew. We've spent the last 6 months in Sweden bringing our twin babies into the world, surrounded by family and loved ones. The twins are now 10 weeks old and we're going to take them for their very first sail.
I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit more stressful being a mom now, taking care of these two beautiful human beings and also being out at sea.
Stay tuned till the end as we fill you in on everything that's happening with Merewether 2.
There is a light at the end of the tunnel.
Things are moving quickly.
Hey, we multiplied!
Hey! Hang on, let's zoom in a little bit here. There we go. Hey!
Hello.
Look what we got here!
Look at these!
Look what we made! We made these!
Let us properly introduce our new crew members. This is Ocean Anthony Wise.
This is Blue Louise Wise, and they're both adorable.
They're amazing!
They're very, very amazing.
Yes.
Apologies on not posting more recently. We have
Been busy.
Very, very busy here in Sweden, having these babies, being extremely pregnant and braving it over the winter, giving birth to the babies. For anybody who wants to see the birth video, it's up on our Patreon. All our patrons have had access to it for a while now, and we're really happy to share these moments with those special people that actually really support us.
Yeah, yeah. More intimate scenes with us.
Yes, more intimate scenes with us.
What are we doing today?
Today
Where are we? Have we said that?
we are in Sweden still. We're about 3 weeks away from going back to the boat, which is quite nice. I'm very much looking forward to getting back to see how the boat's going. That's in Malaysia, if you guys haven't been keeping a track of us. Today we are going to take these little guys out on a sailboat for the very, very first time.
Their first sail.
Their first sail. We're really looking forward to getting these guys used to the ocean and the swaying. Anything else we got to catch up on?
No, we're taking out Monstråle, so we're at my parents' country house right now. And yeah, we're just picking up to go to the boat, and I'm very excited. It's gonna be a long flight back there, but it's gonna be good. We're gonna finally go home, guys. How great!
No. No.
It's going to be great.
He's like, yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's go.
This is pretty much what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. I don't know if we mentioned it, but these little kiddlywinks are almost 3 months. Yeah, it's been a lot of feeding, shitting, sleeping, a little bit of crying, and yeah, just getting to know our new crew, our new family. So it's been very lovely, but also very intense. We'll tell you more as we sail.
Let's go. Oh, how about it? Look at this. Look at this. Ignore the bird shit, but look at the rest of it. Woo-wee. Damn, Monstråle looking good.
Whew. Okay, the kids are sleeping in their teddies and in their life jackets, and we have just cast off, or Kieran has just cast off. I'm still downstairs. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit more stressful being a mom now, taking care of these two beautiful human beings and also being out at sea. This is the first time they're on a sailboat, and I am very excited but also a little bit stressed. All the moms out there can understand the hormones and everything that's racing through. I am proud of myself for persevering and going through this. It's gonna be great, and Kieran's taking care of the steering and the sail for now, and I'm gonna take care of the kittywinks. G'day, sailor.
How are we?
Yeah, good.
Bit stressed, darling.
Yeah, a little bit.
Two babies on the ocean for the first time.
Yeah.
How old are they? 2.5 months?
Yeah.
10 weeks old. 10 weeks old, we're going to get a mainsail up. Well, mainsail's already up. We're going to get a big super genoa up. We're going to fly around today. Get their sea legs well and truly in the first 10 weeks. I do want to say, sorry, I got to check where I'm going. I do want to say how bloody beautiful Sweden is in the summer. Stockholm's archipelago, I mean, you have so many goddamn islands, like so many. Apart from a little bit of the weather through winter, it is stunning out here, like absolutely stunning. And every time I come back here, I just get blown away again and again. Just like little houses on little islands, complete privacy. It's nice, it's nice. It's very nice. Sorry, it's been a long time since I've vlogged. This is our first video in a long while and I'm a little bit rusty.
When the morning's standing at your door, brighter than all mornings come before. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than
Look who woke up.
The frown.
So this is Ocean, and our son has his father's frown. Do you recognize it? I've seen this frown many times.
What do you think, big boy? Can your daddy sail?
So we've been making 4.5 knots, which is quite nice. The breeze is probably something like 10 or 11, maybe even 12. And
A cold breeze, is it?
it is this is my outer jacket, then I got the jumper underneath, and then another shirt, and it's yeah, I mean it's Sweden, so you just gotta be prepared for the temperature. But no, very much enjoying ourselves out here. Cannot complain with this little sailboat. It just handles amazing. Really, full keel, just this tiller. I can control this boat with just a whisk of my wrist. It's amazing. No wheel or anything needed. It's very nice. Only complaint, no autopilot. So I've got to be here all the time, paying attention.
Let's see that Little wrist movement, hey?
Ooh! See, I'm holding us on track. Now I'm going up a little bit and back on track and up a little bit and back on track. Ooh! Jeez! Are you breastfeeding?
Yes, I'm breastfeeding.
I can do a tack after.
Ocean's having his lunch here. Blue is still sleeping. Got a bit upset. They're still getting used to the life jackets. They're very, very big for them. They're a little cocoon. I think it might take some time to get used to. But other than that, we're doing well. Aren't we, Yucky?
So we're just making our way back home now. We had a little break between filming because the babies were, well, they were unhappy. very unhappy. We had both of them screaming at the same time. I think it stressed us both out a bit. I was ordered to turn back to head home, so we've done that, and now we're about 5 minutes off home. It's a fantastic day, but having these babies is going to definitely throw a spanner in the works as far as trying to organise the sailboat and the babies, and it's going to be interesting. I think it's going to throw a huge challenge ahead of us, but that's okay, we like challenges. I think overall it was a good first sail for them. It was more for us, to be honest, so we can kind of get used to having to deal with the sailboat, the conditions, and also two babies. That's going to be a real test moving forward. So yeah, luckily the winds around Malaysia where our boat is going to be quite light, but yeah, we'll see how we go.
Yes, Captain Kieran told the story, but basically these guys wanted to feed at the same time. They were very unhappy, really getting used to the life jackets, and it's just really uncomfortable, as Blue is trying to tell you right now. Aren't you, girl? Stepping stone. I mean, we're not on a 53-foot boat. This is 26, and it's very obvious. Hello everyone!
Hey! Where are we, darling?
You just scared Blue.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Bluebird. A bit loud.
A bit loud. We made it to Malaysia.
We got here after 3 flights. Some really unhappy babies at times, a little bit of stressful parents. We made it.
We made it.
Things are really happening. Like, really happening. more than I thought they would when
Yeah.
we finally got here.
Yeah.
So there's a few episodes coming out in the next couple of weeks. Hopefully we have them weekly. We haven't done it in a while, so bear with us. We've got to get back into the groove.
We got some amazing shipment just yesterday that we're gonna share with you. Yes, we are, and it's happening. I mean, we were here for 6 months, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were here for so long, and it felt like nothing happened really, and now it feels like everything is coming together kind of quickly.
Very quickly.
So it's very, very exciting to see, and we're very excited to show you guys.
There is a light at the end of the tunnel. We can see our splash date coming up,
Yes.
and
Yes.
oh,
Moving onto
Oh.
the boat with these little
Oh.
guys too.
getting out of an apartment and back onto the water.
Oh, where we belong.
It's probably taken a lot longer than we would have liked, but
Well, we had other things to deal with as well.
we're going to have the greatest boat in the world once we're
Yes.
finally in the water
Yes, very set up and ready to cruise.
for a long time.
So very, very much looking forward to that. So stay tuned, everyone. It's happening. I know we've had a long pause with filming everything. I want to thank you for sticking with us. And I hope you enjoyed that little sailing in Sweden. And yeah, just stay tuned for just the next big adventure that we have.
Thank you guys. Cheers.